This isn't about you. Hi! This morning I'm very excited because in just a few moments I will be unboxing the new GoPro Hero 8. I've had the Hero 2 for a number of years now. It's been a trusty companion, traveled with me all over the world. Into Europe, into Africa, into Asia, the islands of North America, and I've just loved it. It's gone everywhere. I've had some different accessories, but it's time to find the upgrade and take the step to the next one. So I've been waiting anxiously all morning for that doorbell to ring, and as soon as that happens, we're gonna get right into it, all right? Okay, the doorbell just rang, the package has arrived. I'm super excited to get into this. I actually bought a bundle with some accessories. We'll look at them briefly, but we're not gonna talk much about accessories in this video. I'll do that in a future video where I compare official licensed GoPro accessories to the generic kind and kind of see where the value is to be had in that. So, I got my box opener here. And we're gonna see what we have. Lots of padding, very important for something like this. Packing slip. Like I said, I've got some accessories. This is a 3-way arm tripod, which we'll look at later on. Got 2 of them, one for a friend. Rechargeable battery, also very important to get along with there. And in fact, I signed up for the GoPro Plus subscription. It's about €5 a month, but it comes with a warranty replacing cameras twice a year if they break, and a 50% discount on all accessories. So that is a fantastic thing, and it's paying for itself already. And if I choose to cancel after a month, I can. I don't think I will because of all the extra benefits it gives us. But this is the main attraction. Very exciting, very exciting. All right, so we're gonna open this up. Stabilization hyper smooth. This thing has all kinds of great features which you can read about on the website. They make these extra tough to open for security purposes, so nobody can take that. Put that aside. So here is the camera, and in fact it's mounted on a piece of hard plastic like they typically do. And something great I learned was that you can actually keep this piece of plastic to use as an extra mount. You can glue it to any kind of solid surface, and there's just kind of one extra bonus mount. So that's very fun. I'll take the camera off of here. Wow, the box underneath the camera apparently doesn't hold a lot. It's got a big empty space here, and it's also got the battery. New battery design compared to the 2. And it has a charging cord and one mount, a curved mount. So very, very basic. Fortunately, I already have a lot of mounts that are fully compatible from the older GoPro, and so I don't need that part of it so much. Now, we'll just untwist this guy. So here is the camera. It's got folding flippers. I don't know how you can see that, but it makes it really small and it doesn't require an extra one, an extra mount to get this thing going. And it looks beautiful. It's rugged without the case. It's got waterproofing. It's got extra microphones. Very excited to test this thing out. And possibly the next video you see will be made with this very camera. So that's all for now, and I look forward to showing you more, like I said, when I compare the accessories to each other. I did get this on a special discount by writing to GoPro. They're having a promotion right now where you can trade in an old camera and get $100 or €100 off the new camera, which is a pretty slick deal. Unfortunately, I couldn't find my old camera. I've got it in storage. So I just wrote customer service and they sent me a coupon code for $100 off. You can certainly try it. And this little guy is anxious to make some videos. This is Willy Wiggles, our new little puppy. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, lick the camera. It's waterproof, so your dog can lick it. Extra bonus. So as I'm looking at this box more, I've discovered now on the back, there's a secret panel that has all the documentation and things. So manuals, talks more about this GoPro Plus subscription service, which I am currently a subscriber to. And anyway, check out the links in the description below, and hopefully we can... The dog's eating the plastic. Anyway, check out the links in the description below, and you can get a link to a good camera, and I'm expecting this thing's going to be an amazing companion for years to come. So I managed to get this off of the mount that came with the box, and this is actually new. It's got a little rubber stopper, which is kind of a nice safety feature. It'll break so that the camera won't come loose. I actually had my Hero 2 fall off. It was on a chesty mount, and I jumped into a pool, and the impact was enough that it popped off, and the camera floated away, and it sunk down to the bottom. And then I had to look for it, and spent about 20 minutes diving around looking for this thing, and meanwhile it was recording the whole time, which was great. Got the bottom and hauled it back up, and it's kind of a fun video today. But at first glance, they're pretty similar in size. I actually have the screen on the back of this one, that little accessory that lets you see it. Now the new screens are built into the new ones, so taking that out, they're pretty close in size. Now this one uses a micro SD card, a mini SD, and this one uses a micro SD card, so that's not going to be compatible. But I'm really hoping to use these two in conjunction, recognizing I'm going to get much better footage with the new one, much better stabilization. But I can always mount this for like a secondary or backup shot. So looking forward to trying out the new features on the Hero 8 Black soon. So I've got the camera in my hands. I'm going to pop this little thing open to get the battery in here. It's a little tricky to open, but I suppose that's important because it is waterproof to a certain extent. So this guy goes in there, and this little tab here actually is really handy for pulling the battery out of the battery compartment. And there's the charging cord as well. Close it down. Hopefully this came with a little micro charge. Oftentimes they're pre-charged a bit. There we go. And it turns right on. You'll be able to see maybe me in that. But this is great because it's got a lot of controls right here at your fingertips to change different angles. It's asking for the language. Here, let's go with English, and it's touchscreen. It's asking for legal stuff. I agree with the terms. Do I want GPS on or off? It's always a toss-up for me. The security issues with having GPS on and also draining on the battery life make me not want to have the GPS on. I could always change it later. For now, I'm going to say off. And then it's saying to go ahead and install the app on your phone, which I've already done. I suppose I could connect them right now and see what that gives us, because they're going to actually tether together. So here we go. Let's go here. Add a camera. It says on my phone. And we'll see it's searching. We found your GoPro. Well, that's exciting. I don't know how well you can see that. Let's get started and connect them. Or is this not your camera? It is my camera. Wants to pair with Bluetooth. And it says connecting. Change the camera name. Oh, so I can give it a custom name. It's just defaulting to the name of my phone, and then Hero 8 Black after that. That's fine. My phone's named Griselda. Name's good. So let's go save new name. Done. Doesn't like that name. That's funny. We'll take out, maybe it's too long. We'll take out a little bit. Done. And save. There we go. So saving new name. Connecting, connecting, connecting. And camera update available. We'll skip that firmware. It says ready to go. Connecting again. Lots of connecting to the camera here. Looks like it came with a 24% charge on there. Oh, it wants to join my home Wi-Fi network. The GoPro wants to connect the network through my phone. Yeah, I guess that's okay. I think we'll be uploading videos through Wi-Fi, maybe more than using cables and cards these days. So we're connecting. And, whoa, there we go. So, the screen turned off, but what I now have is a preview on my phone, which is much bigger. Yeah, it even turns as I turn my camera, so that's weird. It can look in my mouth or up my nose or at the dog who's now barking outside. So, or you can look at yourselves. How fun. So I've got this paired now with my phone, and something interesting I'm discovering is when you have this and you actually rotate the GoPro, then the text on the front also changes orientation, which is kind of fun. So that's, I'm looking at you with my phone as I'm doing this. Great little feature there. Just an extra touch, you know, kind of nice, kind of handy. So, and then with my phone, I can record a time lapse. I can do a video, I can change a photo, or stream live. It says here stream live to Facebook if I want, if I set that up. So I could be streaming through my phone as I walk around with a GoPro mounted to my body, I suppose. So fun stuff, and I look forward to sharing more features with you as I discover them. So there you have it. First look at the new GoPro Hero 8, and I'm really looking forward to test driving this thing. So see you next time. Signing off.